Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Bahrul Lutfianto, staff in oral of Maxillofacial Surgery Department, University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity to share about our community empowerment program in one of the village in Sleman Regency. The program was teaches a community empowerment participant in emergency response to natural disaster victim in Margodadi Sayaka. Syncope is a sudden loss of consciousness in the body straight in an individual. Accompanies the recovery of the individual condition, and around 20% of people have experienced a loss on syncope in life. When not managed properly, syncope can lead to more serious health problem. According to the World Health Organization, there are 12 million cases of the syncope every year in the world, and it can cause respiratory and cardiac arrest and even death. Margodadi village is one of the villages in Sleman Regency. Based on the Sleman Regency disaster risk assessment document in the stated that the result of the analysis show that there are 7 types of potential hazards in Sleman Regency, including flash flood, rain, lava floods, extreme weather, earthquake, forest and land fire, droughts, volcano eruption, and landslide. In other words, the village and its residents are in constant threats to potential natural disaster. Syncope can occur in disaster, therefore it is important to increase knowledge regarding the handling of syncope in disaster. This was the reason why our group chose the village, because it is a constant threat to natural disaster, and we thought that we have to do something to give some sort of protection to the village whenever a disaster happens. The community service is carried out by counseling, education, and training that relates to procedure for handling syncope patient in disaster-prone area. Counseling and training is carried out with the pre-test and the post-test, so that an evaluation can be carried out regarding the level of successful of the counseling and training. The pre-test and post-test data then will be analyzed and presented in the next slide. Community service was carried out at Posbindu activity in Margodadi Sayikan Sleman village on Monday, 20 April and 2024. The activity was attended by 66 residents, consist to toddlers, teenagers, and the elderly people. This is the result of intervention to the participant villagers in our community empowerment program. From the table presented in this slide, we know that there was an increase in the knowledge level of the participant. Before intervening with counseling, education, and training, most the participants had bad or poor knowledge regarding syncope management. Poor definite do not know anything about the management, or they had misperception about the management. After the intervention, majority of the participants has good knowledge of the syncope, which they understand will about the management syncope, in especially during natural disaster. Therefore, we found the counseling, education, and training of syncope management in disaster-prone area could increase the knowledge of the participants. This is the same vending, but present in grapes. We can see the before and after pre-test and post-test about the good knowledge and poor knowledge. Finally, in the context of community, the empowerment program, counseling, education, and training of syncope management in disaster-prone area has been proven to increase the knowledge of the resident. The residents are expected to minimize undesirable even when a disaster occurs. The counseling activity can reduce the rate of fatality or reduce the rate of mortality and increase safety. I think that all for my presentation. I hope you will find is useful and could be our insight in the importance of community empowerment program, especially for our fellow in the susceptible area, such as disaster prone area. There are some photos during our counseling, education, and training activity. However, with this small action that will bring a hope impact for the village in Marigodadi village. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.